Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is a complete tutorial on how to draw a rectangle on TradingView. So the first step is obviously to open your TradingView chart, and once you've opened your TradingView chart, you'd see the right here by the left, you'd see this toolbox section. So just click right here on shapes, and you choose the rectangle tool. So once you choose this tool, it basically lets you draw squares and rectangles on TradingView. Okay, so let's say for example that you want to draw a rectangle in this section. So you just select the rectangle tool, and you just click left click, and then you drag the tool across wherever you want to draw the shape, and then you simply click again, and then you can see the rectangle has been drawn. Okay, so that's basically how to draw a rectangle on TradingView. It's very easy, and there is also an option that lets you customize the entire rectangle. So for example, you can just click on the edges, and then you can see this line tool lets you edit the edges of your rectangle. This tool helps you edit the color inside the rectangle, and then this helps you edit the thickness of the lines of the borders of your rectangle. Okay, so it's very easy to draw this. You can also copy and clone this. So once you click on that, you can click on clone, and then you have a separate one that's exactly the same shape, and then you can take that somewhere else. Okay, you can also delete the rectangle by clicking on this button. So just click on any of the edges and then click on this button. Again, you can also lock in the rectangle. So for example, let's say you want this to remain here no matter what happens. You can just click on the edges and then click on lock. So once you click on lock, what happens is that you'll not be able to move the rectangle until you've clicked on unlock. So just click on the edges again and then choose the unlock button, and that's how to unlock the rectangle on TradingView. Okay, so it's very easy to add and customize the rectangle. It's also very easy to clone the rectangle once you've added it on TradingView. But if you want to draw a square and not a rectangle, it's also the same process. You again click on the tool. Once you've clicked on the tool, then you just left click, and then draw the square. Okay, right here we have a perfect square, and then you click again, and then you have your square drawn right there. So it's very easy to also expand this in different directions. You can also further customize the rectangle. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you got some value from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.